Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be looking at the Razer Seiren Mini microphone. This is an ultra compact, it even says on the box there, microphone. It's possibly the smallest one I've looked at on the channel in terms of desktop microphones, that is anyway. This is using an ultra precise pickup pattern with supercardioid, so primarily from the front facing audio. Professional recording quality. It comes in 3 colours. This is the Mercury or white. You can get it in black and also a quartz colour as well, just on the back here. So other things we can talk about, we've got plug and play with USB, the professional recording quality, nice little shock mount built in as well, which is nice, and then a heavy duty stand. So I think this is currently retailing at about £49.99 in pounds. It'll be about the same price in the States because of the exchange rates nowadays. So opening up, we've got a bit of information. I always get like a welcome letter with these products. We've got some instructions behind that. There might be some Razer stickers in there somewhere as well. We won't worry about that too much. So we've got a USB cable, an adapter. Now this is the microphone itself. I have had a little quick look at this. It's so diddy. Where's it from now? That's like, I don't know how to scale it to. That's 3/4 the size of my phone. That's super compact. Let's put that to the side. So we've got the base. That seems to be it. So let's take this out. Nice rubber. It's not actually rubber, it's more of a foam base. And then there's the pivotable pivot. Let's put this to the side for now. So this part is going to go onto this thread here. That is a plastic thread as well, so just bear that in mind if you're going to be taking it on and off. On the actual microphone itself, it seems that the thread underneath is also plastic, so just again take care if you're maybe going to be using this on the move, because obviously its size will denote that that's going to be quite a common thing to use it for. So just be careful if you take it on and off quite frequently. USB cable, let's have a look. I want to say 1.8 meters, that's not quite my arm span for that one. Nice green USB-A side. Nice, I like the way that they do their USB ports in green. And then the end terminates to micro USB, and that seems to just kind of slide in with this kind of design that will then sit flush when it's plugged in. That's quite a nice touch. Would be nice to see USB-C in 2021 though. And for anyone that's wondering, thinking that it will be more expensive to put USB-C, it's literally like 50 cents extra to implement USB-C onto a PCB than micro, so I think they should have it personally. So all we can do really now, I think I'm going to grab a Yeti just to compare this to, because this is absolutely going to be absolutely dwarfed, and then we'll plug it in and give it a little sound sample. Okay, so obviously this isn't the usual Yeti, this is a Yeti X, but I think they're pretty much the same size for comparison's sake. So you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. But let's take a little listen. But let's just swap over to it now so you can hear how it sounds. It's picking it up quite well, to be fair. The waveforms aren't as big as obviously if I'm closer to it. But considering that it is the size it is, and it's a lot lower down than say this one would be, for example, it's not doing too bad of a job of picking it up. So there's also a little white logo. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell on that camera. White logo that shows up when it's powered on as well, so you can tell when it's active. There's no kind of onboard mute or anything like that. So if you're going to be using this for a stream, then you want to do it on OBS or hotkey it to a macro. So something to bear in mind. But I mean, end of the day, it's a £50 microphone, and obviously meant for just pure small form factor and portability. And I don't think you could get much smaller than that for a desktop size microphone. So let me know what you think. One thing I will do is potentially increase the volume in the microphone in the edit, purely to match my lavalier so I don't blow your ears out. If you're going to be using this for maybe OBS, then you're going to set, you know, your microphone volume and then you'll leave it there. So it's not going to be something you're going to be adjusting if you were to actually buy one and use it. It's just more of a case of I don't want to do a rip headphone users by swapping over levels drastically. So if I can keep it all at a set kind of volume, it'd be a lot better for you guys to watch. So yeah, that was the Seiren Mini from Razer. Let me know what you think. I'll put the link for this down in the description box below if you fancy picking one up. Any more questions, of course, leave them in the comments box and I'll get back to you. It comes in 3 colours, I think, which is nice. They're all matte coloured as well, they're not gloss. One thing I didn't touch on to begin with. So always a fan of matte colour over a gloss. So yeah, it's not too bad. Ultra small form factor, of course, and pretty nifty little mic. If you all enjoyed this video, thank you all for watching. Thank you to Razer for sending this out for me to review, and I'll see you all in the next one.